All right, so I'm going to talk to you about these 4 files and what they do. So this is kind of like the server. It's looking for an HTML. It creates an HTML server. Usually you'd go to your command prompt PowerShell thing like this and type in whatever you need to set up a server. And it's a weird string that you type, and it's kind of difficult, but not difficult. It's just annoying that you have to do that every single time you want to open up a local server. So I created this. So open local server PS1. That's what it does, is it creates a server for a temporary server for you to put your file on, so you can view it how it would be on a website. The next file I want to show you is open local server VBS. This just makes it silent. So rather than having this pop up for half a second and then closing, it just does it. And then these two, this one goes into a thing called the registry editor, or regedit. It's kind of confusing. You can really mess up your machine if you do it wrong. You click into this and type in a value. I don't know what I'm doing right here. It's a lot of weird things. Yeah, it could be. What this does is it just opens it up. It goes to this place in that registry editor and adds it to the registry. So it adds this and this, and now you'll notice that this is mine. This is where this tool lives. Users, Nate's, tools, local server. So put your own location here. You'll have to edit this one file. And this one you don't have to edit, but this one you'll have to edit, and this one you'll have to edit as well. And this one, I don't think there's anything in here that you have to edit. So just remember those 2 places. Put it where your location is, put it where your location is, and that's it. My blog last week, I created a 3D game that you could put into Storyline, but going into Storyline and publishing it, publishing the web object every single time I updated it was kind of taxing. It took a long time. So now I just click onto the file I want to do, go to show more options, open a local server, and opens up, and it opened up on the other screen. So I'll just bring it over. So whoops. So local host 8080 index, press play, and then you can test out your file and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of how to create a local server on the fly, and I hope you have a good day. And if you like this video, like it. If you love it, subscribe, and have a great day.